everybody, I'm Liz. So I just want to introduce myself and introduce you to my channel. I am 41 years old, 41 years young. I do makeup tutorials, I do unboxings, I do different types of vlogs. I have a passion for makeup, a passion for sports cars, a passion for baking. I've had celiac disease for the last 10 years, and I have learned that I can almost do anything gluten-free, so I will be showing you guys some of my recipes with that too. I love the paranormal, I love magic. I am a pagan, so if that is a problem with you guys, I am so sorry, but I want to get that out there, so just in case anything like that ever shows up on my channel. I have tons of animals. I have 4 dogs, 2 birds, 2 cats, and 4 chickens. And you will be seeing my birds squawk, and you'll be hearing them through my video. And I have a crazy cat who attacks my feet, and she's crazy, but that's just life, and I'm real. I'm as real as you're gonna get. So I really hope you guys stay around and you give me a chance and you take that leap and subscribe to my channel and grow with me, because I don't think of you guys as my subscribers. I think of you guys as my family. I love you guys lots. And like I was saying, here's one of the crazy kitties. So this is Jersey, and you will see her in a lot of my videos as well. And I hope you guys stay and give me a chance, and have a wonderful and a magical day. Love you. Bye.